Hello viewers, can we put normal blade of small cutter into precision knife cutter or in precision knife? The answer is yes. Precision knife is a great tool, but the blades are relatively expensive, and once you run out of them you have a trouble. So what you can do is take a blade of a small cutter and break it with the help of pliers from second crack, just like two small pieces together, and be safe. Once you have it, you just put it in precision knife and you're all set. Just secure it by twisting it firmly. You can use also pliers if they slid, if they just move a bit. And now it's time for test. This is a sheet of like plastic, which is pretty thick, but you can see it cuts well. So once I'd run out of blade, I thought, what should I do? Should I order another set online? And for some time I was just thinking, and then I came up with this hack. I think this hack is very useful for artists, those who work with plastic, painters, lots of people, even teachers and anyone who has to do with art and craft can use this technique. It's a great way. And blade, which is usually pretty cheap. Now what about the big blade? The big blade can also be used. You have to just break it from the first crack. Once you have that blade, then take another pliers, hold it firmly, then break it from the half, like from the middle. And then you have blade for the precision knife. That's how it's done. So you can use either the small blade or the big blade and break it and then fit it in precision knife tip, and you would be great. It would be great. Now it's time for test again. This time we are going for the paper. Let's test it on paper. And here we go. Works like a charm. So guys and girls, this was one hack which I wanted to share. I think it's really useful. There isn't any video like this on internet, or maybe there is, I have missed it. So just wanted to share it with the world. Now there are some other things that I must recommend you. Don't go away. And here's another idea. Take a small blade and break pieces of it. Just have collection of them, so you won't have to do it again and again. You won't have pliers all the time. Take a small blade or the bigger one and break pieces and put them in the box that comes with the precision knife, the one that you can see here near the blade. So once you have enough collection, put them in a box. Safety first, safety last. In the end, I would recommend you put the cap back on precision knife tip if it's loaded with blade, so you don't hurt yourself or anyone else by mistake. This video is in English, just wanted to share it with the world, but my other videos are in Hindi and Urdu. They are do-it-yourself videos, so you can just watch and learn some great ideas, something that 5-minute craft doesn't offer.